Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to the internet on Celebrity Cruise Line ships. When you onboard a ship, you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, you press access internet, and then you copy your 8-digit number from your CPass card. And then you could put your birthday, and then you create your username. And then you create a PIN. And then you press I agree, and then you press create internet account. These are all the packages for Wi-Fi that are available to you. And since we are elite, we get 90 minutes free. And if you haven't bought internet on your cruise, you could buy the voyage package. Pre-cruise, we bought premium internet package. Therefore, we're going to select premium full cruise package. And then you press active internet. And then you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers.